Okay, so my dear friends, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Please do your own research or consult a professional financial advisor before investing your money. Thank you. Hey everyone! Next week, 4 massive US household brands are dropping their financial results. We have Levi's, PriceSmart, PepsiCo, and Delta Airlines. Now, most retail traders will gamble on these stocks, guessing if the price will jump or crash. But we are smart investors. Today, we will see the real strength of these companies and if they are actually worth buying right now. Let's break them down one by one. First on our list is Levi Strauss. They report their fiscal Q2 earnings on Wednesday, July 8th. Wall Street expects their revenue to hit $1.52 billion. But don't just look at revenue. Let's check the profit margins and debt. Clothing and retail businesses are highly cyclical, meaning their sales go up and down with the economy. Levi's did great last quarter, but until consumer spending fully stabilizes, jumping into the stock right before earnings can be risky. I will be watching their inventory numbers very closely. Also on Wednesday, right after the market closes, PriceSmart will release its Q3 results. PriceSmart runs large warehouse shopping clubs in Latin America, just like Costco does in the US. Costco stock is currently very expensive. So is PriceSmart a cheaper alternative? Check their PE ratio. Last quarter, their revenue grew by nearly 10%, which is a solid sign. If they continue to generate strong cash from international clubs, this could be a hidden long-term growth stock for your watch list. Next up on Thursday, July 9th, is a favorite safe stock for many investors, PepsiCo. Wall Street expects their earnings per share to be around $2.18 billion. However, major banks are a bit cautious this time. Why? Because snack and chip sales in North America have slowed down recently. Pepsi is a fortress of a business. People will not stop buying their products, but the stock price is almost always expensive. If this earnings report pushes the stock price down, it could be actually be a fantastic discount entry point for long-term investors. Finally, on Friday, July 10th, Delta Airlines will report before the market opens. Look at this chart. Delta stock has surged over 80% in the last year, and everyone is calling it a strong buy because fuel prices have been lower. But remember, the airline industry is notoriously risky. They have to spend billions of dollars every year just to buy and maintain airplanes. Wall Street expect an EPS of $1.43 billion. Don't get FOMO just because the stock went up 80%. We need to see if their free cash flow can actually support this growth. So that is the honest truth about next week top 4 US earnings using completely free tools. Which of these 4 stocks are you watching or holding? Let me know in the comments below.